gap between trade finance and SMEs. International trade is risky, and trade finance is being used to manage that risk. This is why importers who are new to markets are mainly dependent on trade finance. But the new traders are having only limited access when it comes to availing trade finance support. When a trade finance request is rejected, the SME has two choices left: either to drop the trade deal or finding an alternate option to arrange trade finance support. If you're the one who is looking for an alternative option to arrange trade finance for your new trade deal, then contact us today. Bronzewing Trading L.L.C, the trade finance providers in Dubai, extends our own bank facilities on behalf of buyers to facilitate the required financial instrument at zero collateral. To know more about our trade finance issuance process, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.